If a home in Woodbine is on your wish list, you'll want to see this one. I'm Linda with Remax First, and welcome to my newest listing, 61 Wood Valley Road, Southwest.